Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're reacting to the most dangerous things found in Australia. And before we do that, I will shout out this guy out. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks for liking my videos. Now let's go now.
Having been separated from other land masses around the world for many millennia, life in Australia has evolved along a separate path. This is what's led to the country being home to countless stunning animals that you won't find anywhere else. Join me for today's video. I'm going to count down the top 15 most dangerous creatures in Australia. Number 15. The box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are some of the most dangerous creatures in the oceans, and if you're ever unfortunate enough to encounter one when you're swimming, your best bet is to get the hell out of the water as soon as possible. There are actually more than 51 known species of box jelly, each of which are equipped with potent venom, and a number of which are found in waters around Australia, including those with the most deadly toxins. Identifiable because of their square-shaped bells, they have tentacles that hang from each corner. Now, each of these tentacles contains around 500,000 specialized cells that have microscopic harpoon-shaped structures, and it's through these that the venom is delivered. Now, usually human contact with one will only cause a mild envenomation because this is the way that they hunt, and they only need to inject enough venom to kill small fish. But if a person happens to be tangled up in the tentacles, then it's a very different story.
Bro's foot or leg is so freaking long, bro.
The toxins they inject cause the cells of the body to become so porous that vital nutrients begin to leak out, which in turn elevates concentrations of these chemicals in the bloodstream, and that can lead to cardiovascular collapse and therefore death within about 5 minutes. Add to this that victims are usually in deep water with no chance of reaching dry land, so even if they don't die immediately, they're likely to drown, and now you see why they're so feared. Number 14. Mouse spider. There are 18 different species of mouse spider, all of which are in the genus Missolina, and 17 of which are found across Australia. They get their name because they were originally believed to dig winding burrows in a similar way that mice do, although this is now known not to be true, and they actually live in underground cavities that are up to a foot or a third of a meter deep. They usually grow to around 5 inches or about 5 centimeters long and can develop vivid colors across their carapace, which makes it seem shiny. If you see one out in the open, it's more than likely a male because the females spend most of their lives within the burrows and wait for their partner to bring back small insects for them to feed on. Both sexes produce a nasty toxin though, so if you do come across one, you should definitely stay well clear. Luckily, mouse spiders tend to be non-aggressive. Even if they do bite, they normally don't inject any venom, instead choosing to keep it for use against prey. But if you do fall victim to a wet bite, the consequences can be fatal. Their venom contains a type of robust toxin that's similar to that found in other Australian spider species, and left untreated, it can lead to cardiovascular issues, the accumulation of fluid in the lungs, and in some cases, heart failure.
You guys should try Rizona iGame Maker.
And
It's have all sort of game, from text simulator.
what if I kick that spider, bro?
Number 13. Blue-ringed octopus. Currently, there are 4 known types of blue-ringed octopus, with the most commonly seen 3 of them being native to Australian waters. Now, they're usually seen in rock pools or on coral reefs. Their skin is mainly yellow, but has a series of blue-black rings that will change color when the animal feels in danger. They grow to about just 8
Okay, bro, looks like a diamond.
inches or 20 centimeters long and feed on small crustaceans like crabs and shrimp. But because of their vulnerability to predation from larger animals, they've developed a highly effective defensive technique. Their bodies are packed full of high levels of tetrodotoxin, and they produce venom that not only contains a neurotoxin, but several other potent chemicals. This means that consuming a blue-ringed octopus is almost guaranteed to be deadly, and handling one is an extreme risk because if they bite you, you'll be in a world of pain and possibly death. Each blue-ringed octopus contains enough venom at any time to kill 26 healthy adults, and to make things